Hey, what's up guys, this is Vid.apps, and in this video I'm going to be doing an Xcode basic video, so just if you are a beginner in Swift, this series will help you out. So this is the first video in the series, and before we get started I want to mention a little side note. I am going to be busy for the next 2 weeks, really busy, so videos may be delayed. But anyways, so I'm recording right now and let's get started. So this is going to be our first app, which you are going to make, or your second or third, but this is a basic app, which is Hello World. Everybody starts with Hello World. I started with it, and yeah, so we're going to create Hello World with Xcode 8. So what you want to do is you want to create a new Xcode project, and this can be a single view application. You can call this whatever you want. I'm going to call this Hello World. Now, what is the organization name? That's going to be your company name. For right now, you can call it whatever. And then your organization identifier is com.yourcompany So in this case, Vid.apps will be com.vid.apps. Okay, this language is Swift. Please make sure your language is set to Swift. And devices, I am using iPhone. You don't need to touch anything else. And then save it wherever. So this up here, right here where I just clicked, is where you can select a simulator. So a simulator is basically this thing. So it allows you to test your apps. Like this is an app I'm pulling up. This is one of my previous apps, and that's what a simulator's purpose is, to help you test. And it doesn't run full iOS, but yeah, so that's what the simulator is meant for. And right now I am using the iPhone 7 Plus simulator, so what I am going to do here is change it to the iPhone 7 Plus. I'll make it a little bigger. So now we're going to go over to the main.storyboard file. Now right here, you can see if we click down here, it says view as iPhone 7. Unfortunately, I'm on the iPhone 7 Plus. So there's an easy way to change that. You just click on the next bigger size. And this is the plus size, and there you go. So this area is called the main.storyboard. This area is where you can design your app. This is not the coding part, this is all design, and all that goes in here. So first of all, we are going to drag a button, and all you have to do is click on the attributes inspector. That is the arrow pointing down, and then click on the object library. So then in the search, type in button, and let's drag that in. So we're going to change the button's text, and all I did was I double pressed on the button to say press me. And we're already done with the design part. So like I said, this will be a Hello World app. And now, so I opened my assistant editor, and the assistant editor allows you to have your main storyboard and your viewcontroller.swift file, which is where you program. So in case it doesn't go to the viewcontroller.swift file automatically, you'd have to click up here and go to manual, hello world, and viewcontroller.swift. But anyways, so now that we've got this button, what are we going to do with it? So now I'm going to press the control key on the keyboard, and I'm going to drag it into the code, right over above the override func view did load. Now I let go, and as you can see, this pops up. So I'm going to click on this drop down that says outlet and change it to an action. I'm going to call this button, and I'm going to hit connect. There you go. So this is what you would program if you want to make the button do something. So this is Hello World. So what we're going to do now, so if I pull up the logs right here, you just have to click this button. These are the logs, so it shows all output done by your app. So to print something to the logs, we have to use the command print parentheses. And yeah, so type in whatever is in the parentheses. In this case, we're going to put double quotes, and in the double quotes, we're going to say hello world. And you're done. So if we run this program now, we are going to pull up the simulator here. Let's see what happens. As you can see, our build has succeeded. That is a good sign, meaning your programming has no errors. And our app is loading. Okay, and here's the app. So we got the button, now we can press it, and as you can see, it prints hello world down here. I'll do it one more time, and this time keep a close eye down here once I press it. So press, and as you can see, another one showed up. You can keep pressing it and more will keep showing up. So you've created your first app. So there you go, guys. That's how to create hello world. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I will be busy the next 2 weeks, so expect slow delays. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Do subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.